Hey guys, and welcome back to Undertale. God, what did... Oh god, what did I do last time? Oh, right! I beat Papyrus. I did the whole Papyrus thing. That's right. So now... Where are we going again? I think it's the wetlands. I think it's the wetlands. All that gives my life validation to explaining the Echo Flower. No one can know! Never trust a flower! That's one of the consistencies of this world! Huh.
Yo! Are you sticking out to see her too? Awesome! She's the coolest, right? I just want to be
Like, that should not be Monster Kid's voice. Oh god, what should Monster Kid's voice should be? Yo! Yo! I want to be just like her when I grow up. That's it.
Hey! Hey, don't tell my parents I'm here! Haha!
The sound of rushing water fills you with determination. That's right, we're at a waterfall. What? Haven't you seen a guy with 2 jobs before? Fortunately, 2 jobs means twice as many. Twice as God damn it, Sans, don't think of it like that. God damn it. Fortunately, 2 jobs means twice as many legally required breaks. I'm going to grill these. Wanna come? Yeah, let's go. Well, if you insist, I'll pry myself away from my work. You're not doing anything. Over here. I know a shortcut. But how the fuck? Fast shortcut, huh? Hey, everyone! Hey, everyone!
Hey,
Oh, God, what? Oh. Hey, Sans. Hi, Sans!
Greetings, Sans!
Hiya, Sansy. Hey, Sans. Weren't you here for breakfast just a few minutes ago? No, I haven't had breakfast in at least half an hour. You must be thinking of brunch. Why? Why? Here, get comfy. God damn it, Sans! Whoops, watch where you sit down. Sometimes waiters put whoopee cushions on the seats. Anyway, let's order. What do you want? Oh, what am I feeling? I could go for some fries right now. Hey, that sounds pretty good. Grumpy, I'll have a double order of fries. Why are you combing your skull? You have no hair! So, what do you think of my brother?
He's a cool dude.
Of course he's cool. You'd be cool too if you wore that outfit every day. He'd only take it off if he He'd only take that thing off if he absolutely had to. Oh well, at least he washes it. And by that I mean he wears it in the shower. Papyrus, do we have to teach you hygiene? Here comes the grub. Want some ketchup? Yes! Bon appetit! You dip the ketchup, and the cap falls off, and all the ketchup in the bottle pours onto your food. Whoops. Forget about it. You can have mine. I'm not hungry anyway. Quit scratching your bum. Anyway, cool or not, you have to agree Papyrus tries really hard. I do agree to that, Sans. I do agree. Like how he keeps trying to keep... Why can I not read? Why can I not read? Like how he keeps trying to be part of the Royal Guard. One day, he went to the house of the head of the Royal Guard and begged her to let him in. I begged her to let him be in it. God, what is wrong with me? Of course, she shut the door on him because it was midnight. But the next day, she woke up and saw that he was still waiting there. Seeing his dedication, she decided to give him warrior training. It's still a work in progress.
That's fair. I want to eat the fries.
Oh yeah, I wanted to ask you something. Have you ever heard of a talking flower?
Yeah.
So you know all about it. The echo flower. They're all over the marsh. Some say something to them, and they'll repeat it over and over. What about it? Well, Papyrus told me something interesting the other day. Sometimes when no one else is around, a flower appears and whispers things to him. Flattery, advice, encouragement, predictions. Weird, huh? Someone must be using an echo flower to play a trick on him. Keep an eye out, okay? Thanks.
Oh, you better not be fucking up my boy Papyrus!
Well, that was a long break. I can't believe I let you pull me away from work that long. Oh, by the way, I'm flat broke. Can you foot the bill? It's just 1,000. I cannot foot the bill. Just kidding. Grubby, put it on my tab. By the way, I was going to say something, but I forgot.
Give me the fries. Gribby says that your food is probably cold by now. I don't fucking care. Give me the food. What? Give me the fries.
The crab blazing is getting pretty crowded, so I heard they're starting to move here. I don't want to see an erasure of our local culture, but I definitely want to see some city slickers slip onto their butts.
Yeah, that would be funny. Pretty funny.
Sans is a sunshine, but I don't think his title make you think he does. But don't let his title make you think he does anything. Everyone knows he sits around in the forest reading car magazines.
Wait, what? He sits around in the forest reading... Shouldn't that be more of a Papyrus thing? I guess both the Skeleton Brothers are card guys.
Sans is the most regular of all. He hasn't been showing up as much recently, though.
Huh, wonder why. It's playing poker with itself. It appears to be losing. Huh? Since when did you and Sans become friends? Huh? What did you do and Sans become friends? I don't like him. He loves to appear without moving. Oh yeah, because you're... you can't see things unless they're moving, that's right.
I was hoping Sans came in to give me a pat on the head. Interloper!
I like Sans. Sometimes he feeds us scraps of food under the table. Then his brother gets mad. But why? We're adults, we can handle it.
Sansy, come back and sit with me. Everything's so fun when you're around.
Santa's interesting. He told me all about kinds of incredible foods, but despite his knowledge, he always orders the worst burger off the menu.
Huh. The jukebox is broken. Oh. Well, I bid you all adieu. Goodbye. Bye, Grilby. You two don't say anything interesting, right?
This is a knuckle flower. It repeats the last thing it heard over and over. Yo! Are you sneaking out to see her too? Awesome! She's the coolest, right? I want to be just like her when I grow up. Hey, don't tell my parents I'm here.
Okay, so you said something different, but Monster Kid didn't. Let's go and get some time. Yes. This is a box. You can put an item in or take an item out. Why would you though? You can't use items when in the box. Sincerely, a box hater. Use the box? Yes. Oh. Ooh. I don't have that many healing items. Wait, can I? That's progress. I don't want that. I wonder. Oh, it's just an echo flip. What the hell? I saw something behind that rushing water. Oh, right, that's a camera. Huh? There's a camera behind the waterfall. Did someone find all of the cameras? Because I know there's one in the bush, right on, blah, blah, blah. I know there's one in the bush right outside the door. There's one here. Where else are they? Maybe future me. Look that up, please. Cause that's interesting. That there's, cause that would be interesting to know. Oh, buddy boy. Okay, so what is this? Is this a wall? Is it flooring? What is it? I can't tell. Oh, great.
Hi, Undyne. I'm here with my daily report. Regarding that human I called you earlier about. Huh? Did I fight them? Yes, of course I did. I fought them valiantly. What? Did I capture them? Well, no. I tried very hard, Undyne, but in the end, I failed. What? You're going to take the human soul yourself? But Undyne, you don't have to destroy them. You see? You see? I understand. I'll help you in any way I can.
This is what confused me, because it looks like a wall here, but then Undyne. Oh wait, no, it's a fucking cliff. That's. It's a fucking cliff. That's okay.
Yo! Did you see the way she was staring at you? That was totally awesome! I'm so jealous. What'd you do to get her attention? Come on, let's go watch her beat up some bad guys. Oh, ow.
I'm fine. Let's go!
A feeling of dread hangs over you, but you stay determined. I like this music. Maybe not. Maybe I might be thinking about it a different. No, I am thinking about it. It just had a different intro. I definitely would say Megalovania and Bone Trousle are my favorites, but this would be my third favorite. Like right under those two. It's so peaceful. Oh wait, no. Okay, no, this is my third favorite because Megalovania and Bone Trousle are tied for one. I think it's called A Hopeful Dream. It's the one at the end where it's like do 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 do. Hold on. Hopes and Dreams. That's what it's called. Right? That's not what I'm thinking of, but that is good. It's the peaceful one. It's oh god. Home! It's fucking home! That's god damn, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. So Megalovania and Bone Trousle are my favorite. Home is my second favorite, and this is my third favorite. I do like Hopes and Dreams, but Hopes and Dreams is my fourth, I would say. Alright, I'm cutting in here because I just recorded this and I feel like I should talk about it. I'm not talking about Home, I'm talking about his theme. I thought it was Home. So my actual, favorite list is Megalovania and Bone Trousle for number 1, his theme for number 2, Home for number 3, Waterfall number 4. That's the actual list. 'Cause I somehow forgot his theme. I just could not come up with the name. I thought it was Home, so this is my actual favorite Undertale list. I have no idea what number 5 is. Probably Death by Glamour or something. I don't know. It's probably Death by Glamour for number 5. No, it's not. It's the other what is the god damn it? Metal Crusher. Yeah, Metal Crusher is my number 5. Yeah, just yeah, so that's my top 5. That is my top 5. Yeah, so just cutting in to autocorrect myself. So yeah, back to the video. When four bridge seeds align, they will sprout in the water, I should say. I love the little squeak.
Tiny little crack.
Oh, right. Fuck.
Aaron flexes in.
I gotta flex with him, right? Yeah, you flex. Aaron flexes twice as hard. Attack increases for you too.
Flexing contacts. Contacts. Test. Okay, flex more.
Aaron is ready for your next flex. You flex harder. Aaron flexes thrice as hard. Attack increases for you too.
Nice, I won't lose though.
Ah, 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 ah.
He flexes. Aaron flexes very hard. He flexes himself out of the room. Oh my god. 0 XP and 30 gold. Yay. What?
What does that say?
I forget what this says. I don't know what this says because I've been to this area before. But I just... Oh, right, it's this puzzle. Because I remember doing this area, but I just can't... because I just totally did not know how to do this puzzle, and so I looked up a guide, so... Congratulations! You failed the... Fuck you! God damn it!
Oh, they're already glowing.
If an error is made, the Bell Blossom can call bridge seeds back to where they started. Okay, so one moment as I look up what the fuck to do, because I totally forget this puzzle. Never mind, I'm going to go back, because I totally missed something. Future me, cut to the entrance of that, please. Alrighty. I totally missed this. There's a tutu lying on the ground here. Will you take it? Yes. You got the old tutu. Now, what does the old tutu do? Old tutu, armor defense. Finally, a protective piece of armor. You equip the old tutu. What did I... Oh, I had the manly bandana on. Manly bandana. Yeah. Yeah, because I'm not gonna... Ah! Corners are like my enemy. Because I totally forgot that was there and didn't know that was there until I was watching the video. God damn, why are the corners my enemy? Why are corners my enemy? Alright, so, thank you video that I will link once I actually get the, thing up and, like, to tell me the answer. Okay, so that's what I have to do, okay. Simple in concept, but not really, like, it's like, oh yeah, a little bit of a... So... Thank you, Ice4R. It will be in the description, probably. And maybe the iCard, if I can, like, easily find it for the iCard, but most definitely in the description. So yeah. And thank you for, like, doing a playthrough where you show the solution and do the, and, like, show where the tutu is. Damn corners! Ah! Why are corners my enemies? Ring.
Hello! This is Papyrus! How did I get this number? It was easy! I just dialed every number sequentially until I got yours! So, what are you wearing? I'm asking for a friend. She thought she saw you wearing a dusty tutu.
I have questions. How? I feel like that shouldn't make sense. Because I got the tutu after the cutscene. I feel,
Is that true? Are you wearing a dusty tutu?
What will you say?
I am now! So you are wearing a dusty tutu. Got it! Wink, wink. Have a nice day. Click. Papyrus, what the fuck are you doing? A long time ago, monsters would whisper their wishes to the stars in the sky. If you hoped with all of your heart, your wish would come true. Now, all we have are these sparkling stones on the ceiling. Wishing room. Thousands of people wishing together. Oh wait, this is two people, right?
Thousands of people wishing together can't be wrong. The king will prove that.
Washer.
What's you talking about?
You ask Washer to clean you. It hops around excitedly.
Tweet, green means clean.
Oh, fuck! Washer is looking for some clean fun. Okay. Spare! Fuck that! 25 gold.
Come on, sis. Make a wish. I wish my sister and I will see the real stars someday.
Seems my horoscope is the same as last week's. Look through the telescope? Yes. Check wall. Wasn't there something to do with... I thought... Oh, maybe it's later that sand pranks you. Oh, oh, right. I wonder why this is here. Because this isn't where the, like, the ferryman, picks you up and drops you off. So, I wonder why that's there. Ancient writing covers the walls. You can just make out the words. The war of humans and monsters. Why did the humans attack? Indeed, it seems that they had nothing to fear. Humans are unbelievably strong. It would take the soul of nearly every monster just to equal the power of a single human soul. But humans have one weakness. Ironically, it's the strength of their soul. Its power allows it to persist outside the human body, even after death. If a monster defeats a human, they can take its soul. A monster with a human soul, a horrible beast with unfathomable power. It's an illustration of a strange creature. There's something very unsettling about this drawing.
I'm doing a little dance on the river boat.
Oh, fuck. This is right. Well, fuck it. Hey, thanks for the spear! Go, 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 go. Ah! Ah! What the fuck? Okay. Okay.
God damn it.
God, that barely touched me. Oh, I'm gonna die here, aren't I? Ah! Don't leave me alone! Fuck. Fuck. You cannot give up just yet. Bill, stay determined. Oh, great. I'm back here. Okay.
I'm tap dancing on a river boat rafting.
Okay, just fucking go. What? How the fuck? Okay, that would make more sense. Go, 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 go. What? What? What are the? What? Why are you throwing spears at me? This should be a cutscene. Is that her hair or part of her armor? I can't tell. Ow. Why does that not hurt, Monster MK? Why does that not hurt?
Yo! Did you see that? Undyne just touched me! I'm never washing my face ever again! Man, are you unlucky? If you were just standing a little bit to the left. Yo, don't worry. I'm sure we'll see her again. Oh, ow. I'm fine. Let's go.
Again, why is there a dock here? I don't know.
Squeak!
This cheese has been here so long, a magical crystal has grown around it. It's stuck to the table. Knowing the mouse might one day extract the cheese from the mystical crystal, it fills you with determination. Ah, this is what I'm thinking of. Use the box? Yes. No.
I'm thinking about getting into the telescope business. It's normally 5,000. It's normally 50,000 G. But then we use this premium telescope. But since I know you, you can use it for free. How's about it?
Use the telescope? Yeah. What? Why is it red? What? Why is it red?
Huh? You aren't satisfied? Don't worry. I'll give you a full refund.
The ancient glyphs have been painted over with a list of 21 different...
I relocated my store, but there's still no customers. Fortunately, I thought of a solution. Punch cards! Every time you buy an ice cream, you can take a punch card from the box. If you have 3 cards, you can trade them for a free ice cream. They're sure to get the customers to come back. Ice cream, it's the frozen treat that warms your heart. Now just 25G.
Yes.
Super, here you go.
Your card's in the box, you got an ice cream. Okay.
Ah, no!
I don't have enough. No. I'll just put the punch cards in the... Yeah.
What's a star? Can you touch it? Can you eat it? Can you kill it?
you a star?
What's down? I can't remember. Is down story progression? I can't remember. Or I'll just fucking battle. Green means clean. Oh god, right. Ah! Washer's rinsing off a pizza. No! Washer, you're not supposed to do that. Oh wait, I got more gold. I guess that was worth it. Ah. Yes, take. Got the punch card. Okay, hold on. Ah! Use the box. Yes. Oh, fuck. Okay. Okay. Hey, you have 3 punch cards. How about redeeming them for some ice cream? It's free. Yes. Here, a free ice cream. He lost 3 cards and got an ice cream. Sweetness. Okay. Okay. So down is story progression. Okay. Okay. I didn't see any. I will. Knowing the mouse might want to. Yep. I'm gonna leave it here. I'm still working on the 2 videos, but or 3 videos, I should say, that I need to work on, but I'm slowly chipping away at them. I might just finish the ones that are super easier and then just not upload them and then just work at the other one that I need to really work at. But yeah. But I just wanted to record something and upload something that was gameplay. That was a let's play that I need, yeah. So yeah. I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. So thank you guys so much for watching this. If you guys liked it, please leave a like, subscribe. It would really help me become a big YouTuber starman. That's eventually what I want to become in life. Ring the bell for notifications for whenever I upload a video, because I think I'm kind of just back to having an irregular schedule. I will once I definitely get the 3 videos that I'm currently working on over and uploaded, I will definitely get back onto a regular schedule. But if not, then yeah, have the notifications so you know when I upload a video. If you want to watch more Undertale of mine, I have a whole playlist on that. This is an active series. I am going to play it till completion. Other active series that I'm going to keep playing are Steven Universe Save the Light. I have a video on Night in the Woods, and a video on Before Your Eyes. I have
I am playing Minecraft, and I have played First Snow. Some finished playthroughs and one-offs if you just want to binge through an entire playthrough or only have time for a one-off, are Shepherd of Light, Spore, Omori. I've played The Room, and I've done Lover Watch. So yeah, so with that, I will see you guys in the next issue. See you.